exciting! We have a super pretty rainbow heart cake today! Aww! Look how super cool this is! We're gonna get started right away making all of our colors. So many colors today! I can't wait! We're gonna start making all of our details and then we'll put the whole cake together at the very end. While you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up or leave us a comment. Let us know what your super favorite color is. Is it one of the colors we're using today? Because that would be so cool. We got red, and yellow, and blue, and green. It's gonna look so fun. Lots of little details on this cake. Are you ready for a trivia question? How many colors in the rainbow are there? Stay to the end to find out. Or if you think you know, leave us a comment. See if you're right at the very end. Aw, we're gonna make super fun little bows. We've got a red bow and a yellow bow. Do you have bows at home? Either bows you put on a present, or maybe even bows you put in your hair. Do you like to wear bows in your hair? That's so fun!
Wow.
Maybe even sparkly bows. I love my glitter. Glitter on everything. Be so cool. Lots of cutting because there's lots of bows. So many bows. But it's gonna look so pretty at the very end. Do you like to play with your hair? Or your friend's hair? Maybe put braids in it or French braids and then you can put bows on top of that? That would be so fun! I like to braid hair because braided hair is awesome. And then you can even add stuff inside of the braid like flowers or bows or pearls or scarves. You can braid up a scarf in it. It's so pretty and so fun. Another idea if you don't have a cake to practice on, you can always practice making bows and cakes with Play-Doh. Wouldn't that be so fun to play with Play-Doh? That way you'll be super good at it. Just don't eat your Play-Doh. That would be so yucky. Now we're gonna make lots and lots of circles. Are you ready to make all different shapes of circles? Remember, while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. Tell us what your favorite shape is. Do you love circles or squares or triangles? Rectangles? What about a heart shape? Or a star shape? You know we love our stars here. We do lots of stuff with stars. Here we're making lots and lots of circles. Orange and blue and red. What do you think the middle color's gonna be? Yellow! Now our cake and frosting! Creamy, creamy frosting. Num 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 num. And more frosting! I'm so excited! I just love frosting and cake and yummy! Do you have a birthday coming up anytime soon? I do! I have to decide what kind of delicious cake I want for my birthday.
Wow.
I might need some help, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. We're gonna start putting all of our stripes on now. Isn't this awesome? Lots and lots of stripes. Blue and yellow. What's next? Did you guess green? 'Cause you're right, it's green! And our last color? What do you think it's gonna be? It's red! I love red! Red is so bright! Now we're gonna put all of our stuff on the top. All of our pretty circles. It's gonna look so awesome! Are you ready for the answer to our trivia question? How many colors are in the rainbow? The answer is 7. Did you guess it right? Let us know in the comments if you got it right. Now all of our super pretty bows. We can't forget to put the super awesome bows on the cake. 'Cause they're so pretty and so fun. And they make this cake extra special. Remember, hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave us a comment. We're all finished!